Hey guys, welcome SS Academy. In this tutorial, we will download our JDK. First of all, I want to tell to you about what's JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit, and you will need it when you want to write a Java program, when you want to write a applications, and without JDK you cannot write code, okay? First of all, I go to Google and write download JDK 8. After writing JDK 8, you will see first link here, oracle.com. Click here. We're waiting, guys. And when you're here, scroll down and please choose your computer version. If you don't know what's your computer version, go to Start menu, write this PC. Let's write like this. This PC, right click and Properties. And after writing Properties, you will see 64-bit. And here you can see my download option is this. I will click on this, and I reviewed and accept Oracle Technology Network license. You will click here and you have to click download. It will forward you to a account login page. You have to create a oracle.com page for you, and you will download your JDK after this. So guys, you have to create here a oracle.com account, and you can sign in to your account, then you can download your JDK. So before the lesson, actually I downloaded my JDK. Let's go here and let's see how we can actually set this up. So guys, here I have JDK 8. I will click on this and yes, I will say yes, and let's click next. Waiting. Everything in here will be default. You will be click next. Let's do this again. And guys, I don't want to continue to this video because after downloading all of this, let's come here and I will say next here. And I don't want to make this video so long because I can understand this is your first steps to programming, to this lecture, and it will download all of this from the scratch and you will be downloaded JDK. Okay, so let's continue. I want to stop video here because I don't want to lose time. So guys, that's it. Our API documentation successfully installed. Let's close this, and already I've got my JDK. Okay, so guys, let's see in the next lecture.